If you own a OnePlus, Oppo or Realme phone, you are probably sick of the lock screen blasting you with random articles and wallpapers. Here is how to kill the lock screen magazine forever. Because these phones share the same software, the fix is the same. Go to the settings. So let's go to the settings of our device and then tap on home screen and lock screen. So here you can see home screen and lock screen. Just tap on it. Scroll down to look for like lock screen magazine. So let's search for it. So here you can see under lock screen you can find it, lock screen magazine. So some phones call it glance or different similar kinds of names. So just tap on it and here you would find this option to toggle it off. So you can toggle it off like here, turn off anyway. So this is how you can disable it. Sometimes the system updates turn it back on. If you want it permanently gone, let's uninstall it completely. So first just go to again settings of your device and then go to apps and here tap on app management. At the top right corner tap on this three dot icon and here just tap on show system. So now it would show the system apps. So search for magazine. So let's search for magazine. You can like here let's search for magazine. So here you can see lock screen magazine. So just tap on it. So from here you can disable it, like tap on force stop and disable it. You can also uninstall it. So let's uninstall it and now it is gone. So boom, a clean lock screen that stays that way. So if this video helped you, then hit that like button and also let me know in the comment section below and let others know if this video helped you or not. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. So I'm Mesh from TechMesh and I'm signing off.